Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix YouTube premium. We couldn't Wi-Fi your country. Please visit Help Center for more information. For example, if you try to set up YouTube premium or open YouTube without ads and you see an error related to we couldn't verify your country, so how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply go to settings. And here what you have to do, you have to simply turn on the airplane mode for some seconds. And after that, you have to simply turn it off again. And the next thing you have to do is you have to simply go to general, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to simply reset all network settings, and after that you have to try to fix the problem. If the problem is still there, then you can also do the reset all settings. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to VPN and device management. And here you have to simply connect a VPN so that you can simply change your country to a country which has available YouTube Premium. So in this way, you can simply change your country region, and after that, YouTube Premium is available to you. If this trick doesn't work for you, then after connecting the VPN, then what you have to do, you have to simply go to settings again, and after that, you have to simply go to name or Apple ID, and here what you have to do, you have to simply click on media and purchases, and you have to simply go to view account here. And here what you have to do, you have to simply wait for some seconds so that a new kind of interface will be available. So here what you have to do, you have to simply change the country or region from here. And after changing country or region, what you have to do, you have to simply try for that YouTube Premium again, and this time it will fix the error. After changing the country, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you have install the latest version of the YouTube app, and after that you have to simply check it is not showing any kind of update. And if it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update the YouTube app, and after that you have to try it again. This time it will not error. This time this will error not occur. So hope you have liked this video. If you can get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.